The Study and Outline tool gives you a parking lot to place your text from articles, Google Docs, and ebooks, and then you can organize them by theme or category. So you're going to first start out by finding a resource with information you might want to use in your project. I click on this page. In my case, my paper is going to be about FIFA, and I want to know information about who they are and give my readers a little bit of information. So on this page, I found out that they're founded in 1904, based in Zurich, Switzerland. That's pretty interesting to me. So I'm going to go through and turn on my Snap and Read Universal tool. Now, it's important that you turn it on in the tab that you're working on. If I have it set up on my paper, turn on Snap and Read, and then click over here, it doesn't always work really well for me. So I want to make sure and turn it off. Go to this page, all right, turn it on so that I see my toolbar here. All right, so I'm going to highlight the facts, their information that I found was really interesting. And then I'm going to click this button. And when I've done it, it put into my outline the text from this page. And it also has a hyperlink so that any time in the future I can go back, click on this, and it'll take me right back to my resource page. Maybe as I'm working on my paper, I realize that, hey, there were more facts about how many member associations were there, and I can want to get back to it soon. This will help. The other part that's really interesting is the sources, because when I do this, if I click on sources, it shows me the citation written in the format that I really need to use. In our case, we typically use MLA format. So here it is, all correctly written in the correct format. So for you, when you're doing a research paper, let's say you have some information. I go to my outline and I want to use this information. And in this case, I'm going to use it in quotation marks because I'm going to use it exactly the way it's written. I can click on it, drag it onto my paper, and it will copy it down with that information. Next thing is I will click this down, which will show that, which reference I used. And then the really cool part is when I get to the end of my paper and I have my references or bibliography, and I get in here, I can go to my sources page, click and drag over here, and there's all the correct information.